Hello and welcome back to day 7 of our Power Yoga series. Hope you're enjoying and benefiting a lot from this series. Yoga is not only about helping you lose weight, but it is even much more than that. During these times, it is really helpful to help you ease anxiety, stress about the future, to improve your impatience because everybody is going through a rough phase. By breathing in, it teaches you to stay in the present moment, which is very very important for each and every single human being. No matter how much hard we try, sometimes it is never enough. So we have to practice getting back on our mat every single day and remember and recall ourselves about the power of presence. So today we again have part 3 of strength series for your arms, abs and legs. So it pretty much covers of your entire body. So I break it down in 3 parts so that you can benefit it on a daily basis. Because it is not particularly focusing on one body part, we have a sequence which was needed to be divided in 3 parts. So hope you enjoyed the part 1 and part 2, and today is part 3, and I'm supposing this should be the last part. Let's see how it goes. So we'll begin in kneeling position for our cat and cow. Let's take 3 cat and cows here. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round the spine, lock your chin to your chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, up, chin goes up towards the ceiling. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, and come back to neutral. Now raise your right arm forward, left leg back, and let's hold here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep the hand and leg down. Now let's repeat the same on the other side. Take position, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep the hand and leg down. And let's hold a knee plank for 5 breaths. So you will lift your knees 1 inch off the floor. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep your knee down. Now lift your body up in downward dog position. And let's pedal our legs, right and left alternating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk your feet little back. 7, 8, 9 and 10. And now let's go for a twisted downward dog. Bring your left arm across your right knee from outside, right ankle from outside. And let's stay for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep your hand down. Now slowly walk yourself forward to front of the mat. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, take your nose to your knee and stay here. 1. Fold your knees because this is your first forward fold. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly rounding your spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, come all the way up back to Samasthiti. Now let's start with Surya Namaskar. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to a plank, and let's hold a plank here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's hold a single-legged plank. Lift your right leg up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's repeat the same on the other side. 1, 2, head forward. 3, 4, and 5. Keep your leg down. Now we shall hold single arm plank. So same plank position, but you have to raise your arm forward. So we are holding a plank only on one arm. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, come on your toes. 4 and 5. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now come in plank again. Let's go for a chaturanga. Let's hold chaturanga for 2 breaths. 1, 2. Inhale Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Just stay here for 2 breaths. 1, 2. Now kick your right leg up towards the ceiling and go for a 3-legged dog. Fold your leg from your knee and push the leg up. Yes, keeping your leg folded. That was correct. You have to push it outside and hold. 1, yes, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now inhale, straighten that leg, straighten your right leg. Exhale and bring it to your nose. 1, inhale up, exhale and bring it to your nose. Inhale up, exhale and bring it to your nose, and take the leg back up, and let's repeat the entire thing on the left side. Let's go for 3-legged dog. Fold your leg and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now kick your left leg up towards the ceiling. Inhale up, exhale and bring it to your nose. Inhale up, exhale and bring it to your nose. Inhale up, exhale, bring it to your nose, and keep the leg down. Let's stay in downward dog for 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now look between your palm, bend your knee, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up, look where the thumbs meet, and come back to Samasthiti. Now let's start with Surya Namaskar B. Go for Utkatasana. Inhale Utkatasana. Stay here for 3 breaths. 1. Make sure you're able to see your toes. 2 and 3. Now fold forward, grab your ankle. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga and hold Chaturanga for 2 breaths. 1, 2. Inhale Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Kick your right leg up towards the ceiling. Bring your right leg in between the palm, and let's hold a high lunge here. Not Virabhadrasana, high lunge. Keep your back leg on toe. Yes. Let's go for a high lunge. Both the hands goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let's go for 5 lunge pulses in the same position, like really lunge pulses, lunge movements. So you'll do proper lunges in the same position. Let's go. Take position and start. Go. 1. Take your knee down, back knee down. 2, 3, 4, 5 and keep your palms next to your feet. Let's take a vinyasa. Come in plank, chaturanga. Inhale urdhva mukha, exhale adho mukha. So see, I told you it's a full body routine. Our arms, our legs, our core, everything is at play. Now kick your left leg up towards the ceiling, bring it in between the palm and let's go for high lunge. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's take 5 lunge movements and start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep your palms next to your feet. Let's take a plank, chaturanga. Inhale urdhva mukha, exhale adho mukha. Now we have one more movement here before we rest in downward dog. So we did this yesterday. You have to go for dolphin arm to downward dog. Okay, so fold your both the arms and keep the forearm down. 1 and up, 2 and up, 3 and up. Try to keep your head inside. 4 and up. Last time. 5 and up and stay in downward dog for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly bend your knee, look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, fold forward. Let's go for Utkatasana and hold here for 3 breaths. 1, 2 and 3. Slowly release. We have to do Utkatasana again. So take position, keep your feet hip width apart. So let's take position for Utkatasana. Keep your feet hip width apart. Sit down in a chair pose and start. You can keep your arms extended forward. Hold. 1, 2. We are here for 10 breaths. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now let's go for a twisted Utkatasana. So take your hands in Namaste in front of the chest and take your left arm across your right knee. Ready? Let's go. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now from here, take your left leg back. Keep your hands in the same position. We are going for a twisted lunge. Take your left leg back and stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's take a vinyasa. Keep your palm next to your feet. Plank, chaturanga. Inhale urdhva mukha, exhale adho mukha. Look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, fold forward. And now let's start with Utkatasana from left side, like twisted Utkatasana. So sit low, take a twisted Utkatasana on the other side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit low. 5. Now take your other leg back and go for high lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's take a vinyasa. Come in plank, chaturanga. Inhale urdhva mukha, exhale adho mukha. Look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, fold forward. Come all the way up. Now bring your right knee into your chest. Just your right knee into your chest. In standing position. No, stand there only. Hug your hand. Now leave your hands. And from here, try to go in Virabhadrasana 3. So you will even need space in the front. So your both the hands goes in Namaste and your leg goes back. The leg which is bent. Ready? Start. Stay here for 5 to 10 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said 5 to 10. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Quickly go in warrior 2 on the same side. And hold warrior 2 for 5 breaths. 1, look here. 2, yes, you can even look here and look at your palm also. 3, 4, 5. Now let's take a plank. From plank, let's go for 2 chaturanga push-ups. 1, 2, and in the third time, go all the way down. And let's go for low cobra. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now kick yourself back up in downward dog. Look between the palm, jump forward. Now let's repeat everything on the other side. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, fold forward. And come all the way up. Now fold your left leg and go for Virabhadrasana 3. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Warrior 2, keep your leg down and let's hold warrior 2 for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's take a plank. 2 chaturanga push-ups. 1, 2. Come all the way up and now go down completely for low cobra. Hold here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Kick yourself back in downward dog. Look between the palm. Jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up and come back to Samasthiti. Now sit down and turn on any one side. Okay, now take Navasana position with your knees bent. Keep your palms behind the head. Now take your legs little up. Now bring your right leg down, left leg up. No, not like that. So legs will stay in one position. Just bring down and up, down and up. Ready? Start. Down to the floor and up. Down, up, down, up. Bring the same leg up. Are you clear? Okay, start. Down, up, down, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. 10, up. Now we shall repeat it on the other side. Try to keep your legs up when you are in Navasana. Ready? Let's take position and start. Down, up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. 10, up and relax. Let's take one stretch. Come in Paschimottanasana position. Keep your both the legs extended forward. Inhale, take your hands up. Exhale and grab your feet and stay here for 10 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again take Navasana position, this time with your knees straight. Just try if you can do this. Put the hands behind the head and bring both the legs down together. 1, up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. 10, up and relax. Now let's take a twist. So this is perfect the way you have folded your leg. Bring your leg little more inside towards your inner thigh. Now take your left hand up and cross it across your right knee and try to grab your left knee. Very good. Look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Fold your other leg. So maybe you can turn this side so we can see from other angle as well. Ready? Take your opposite arm and keep it across your knee and grab the opposite knee. 1, 2, twist back as much as possible. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Now take side plank position. And lift your right leg up and let's go for leg pulses in side plank. So we'll do 15 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't touch down. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's repeat on the other side. The higher your leg, the better your glute ball. Don't we all want that toned glute on which we sit whole day? Let's start on the other side. Let's go. 1, 2. To challenge yourself, take your hand up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We shall repeat that one more time because this is our last exercise of the routine. Let's go. And if you really want to challenge yourself, take your arm on your palm. Never give up. Chalo, this is the last exercise and then we have a very sweet stretch. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's repeat it on other side. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now turn and sit down for our last asana. Keep your both the legs extended forward. Now fold your right leg and keep it outside your left thigh. Then fold your left leg and take it around your right hip. Now raise your left hand up. No, so right feet will stay on feet. Yes. Now raise your left hand up and put it across your right knee. And try to grab your right ankle if possible, or your left knee is also fine, till wherever you can reach. Remember, it's not a competition. You can be at your comfortable place. And if you're comfortable here, if you're able to sit on your sit bone, take your right arm across your waist. Let's stay here. 1, look back. 2, towards the wall. 3, 4, 5, twist from your torso. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now let's repeat on the other side. So this time you have to cross your other leg. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So that was our part 3 of strength workout for your arms, legs and core, and I'm still left with some routine, so I think there will be part 4. So stay tuned for that, and I'm sure you guys had fun. It was a pleasure having you all. Stay in Shavasana for as long as you want. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Namaste. This guy is in no position to do namaste also.